Hello, welcome back to Phonics. Today we're going to have a quick recap of our Groups 5 and Group 6 before we remember our sound from yesterday, Qu. Then we're going to meet a new special friend. So let's get going. I'm going to say a sound from Group 5 or Group 6 and you need to point to it. If you need a bit of help, I'm down here and I'll be doing the actions for you. Find v. Here's v. Find w. W. Here's w. Find y. Y. Here's y. Find ch. Ch. Here's ch. Find z. Z. There's z. Find sh. Sh. Here's sh. We're going to do two more. Find Here it is. Find oo or there, here. Well done, everybody. If you found any of those tricky, then have a go at that again, or pause the video here and whiz through all of the sounds, saying them yourself. Yesterday, we learnt about qu, and we saw how qu is a caterpillar letter. We have to go round, up to the top, back down, and then the flick. Follow me as I write qu. Use your magic finger or write it on a piece of paper. Round, join it up at the top, down and a flick. And then the is like a cup with a tail. This special friend says qu. If you'd like to, pause the video here to recap on these words. You had a challenge yesterday, and that was to read these words, and I was amazed by your brilliant reading. Well done. I would like to quickly read through them now and help you with the meaning. Pause the video to sound out this one by yourself, and then I will tell you the answer. Qu, ick, quick. Someone who is quick is fast. You can do something quickly. Pause the video to sound out this word again. Squid. Squid. You can find squid in the ocean. Pause the video to sound out here. Qu. Special friend. Een. Queen. The king and queen lived in the palace. Sound out this word. Qu, it. Quit. If you quit, you stop doing something, or you leave. Try reading this one. Is. Quiz. A quiz is a bit like a fun test. And the last one. Pause here to sound out this long. Watch out, you only say the once. And this is also a special friend that says all. All. Squirrel. Squirrels are those cute little animals with bushy tails. Let's move on and have a look at today's special friend. Well done for that brilliant reading. Today's special friend is ow. Ow. The little girl's grandmother is teaching her how to sew. As she makes a stitch, she accidentally pricks her thumb with the needle and says, ow. The letters that make up ow are o and a. They're special friends, and together they say, ow. Follow me. Ow. What sound is it? Ow. Now remember, O is a caterpillar letter. We always make the caterpillar shape and then join it up. Check with your writing. Are you making O as a caterpillar letter, or are you starting at the bottom, or on the side, or down here? Have a think, because you need to start your O as a caterpillar letter. This will help you when you're a bit older and you start to do joined up handwriting in year 2 or 3. So we need an O and an A. Pause your video here and do a few practices of ow, making sure that you're doing your O properly. Well done, everybody. Now you'll notice that there are some owl words up here. Why don't you pause the video and have a go at reading those? These are some of our owl words. I'm going to sound them out, and you can point to the one I'm talking about. This will help you get to know some of our vocabulary today. Which one am I talking about? Loud. The cloud. Great. What about this? Proud. Proud. That's one of our feelings on our thermometer chart. This boy is proud of his amazing work. What am I sounding out? Count. Count. Here we're counting sheep. How about this one? Watch out, it's a special friend. Shh, out. Shout. And there's one more, which also has a special friend. Mouth. Mouth. Today, I've made it a bit more tricky than usual. We've got some sentences for you to read to find out if you can see what pictures are behind the boxes. Let's start with the pink one. Have a go at sounding out. I've just realised that there's one bit in this sentence which I haven't helped you with. And I should have, because he is, of course, a blue tricky word. So let's make it blue. When you start reading big books, you won't see the different colours and you won't see the special friends. But for now, we're learning about phonics, and it's okay for us to use these tricks to help us. So off you go. Pause the video to read the pink sentence. Try and say the sentence in full now that you've read it. I'm going to sound out too, and we'll see if you're right. He is, he is proud, proud. He is proud. Did you say he is proud? Let's have a look. Well done, fantastic. Let's move on to the orange one. Pause here so that you can sound out and read this sentence. Say the whole sentence again. Okay, my turn then. Teeth, teeth, in, teeth in the, teeth in the mouth, mouth, teeth in the mouth. Let's have a look. Yes. Let's move on to yellow. You're doing a fantastic job. Pause the video to sound this one out. Okay, make sure you're in the habit of saying the whole sentence again. Loud, loud, a loud, out, shout, a loud shout. Let's have a look, see if it is the lady doing the loud shout. Yes! Let's move on to green. Pause here. Did you say the whole sentence? Okay, my turn. Count. Count the sheep. Sheep. Count the sheep. Let's have a look. Yes. And the last one. Pause here to sound it out. Big, big, a big cloud, cloud, a big cloud. Well done, everybody, if you read those yourself. That's absolutely fantastic because those are quite tricky. So today, your job, you can choose. You either need to write our ow words, or if you're feeling like a really good challenge, then you can have a go at writing some sentences for these owl words. Make sure that you remember that this is our special friend today, owl. If you want to, you can write the same sentences as me. But whatever you do, make sure that you say the whole sentence before you get writing. And keep going back and recapping as you write. It will really help you. Well done, everyone. I'm so proud of your amazing phonics, and I can't wait to see either your words or your sentences for our owl words. If you choose to do the words, maybe try and give me at least one sentence today. Thanks, everyone, and see you later.